It's impossible to overemphasize the importance of utilities. This needs to be addressed at the very, very earliest point in the planning for the project. The approval by all the agencies takes forever, and no matter how much time you allow, it's usually not enough time. So this has to be your highest priority. Even here you can see the foundation slab has already been constructed up to this area where the utilities have to be installed. So it looks like this is already impacting the progress of the foundation. I'm going to continue with a video of some of the early construction activities. I think it's pretty clear that the foundation has gone about as far as it can, and it cannot really proceed effectively until the utility work is completed. The utility work has been completed, the foundation slab poured, and now they are forming for the first floor. But this is not the typical arrangement of forming. This is atypical because this is the building lobby. The ceiling height is much higher. Pipe scaffolding is being used here with aluminum joists, and the lobby looks quite different. A lot of hand labor goes into doing the lobby. This trade are called lathers in New York City. The rebar is handled by lathers. Elsewhere it's typically ironworkers, and these lathers are engaged in making cages for the column construction. Another thing unique to New York City is that the lathers bend the rebar on site. Every place else it's bent by the fabricator. It comes out already pre-bent, so you can imagine there's a tremendous amount of extra effort to just carry the bars over to this bending machine, bend them. It really takes two people, and they're going back into another pile now, so there's a lot of added labor at the site. This was annoying to me. The lather makes the first bend, but he can't make the second bend until his buddy comes over and supports the other end. Obviously, if you made a little sawhorse to the correct height, it could carry that free